Hello everyone, just a quick update on the wiring, well, the RS125. This is the loom. I finally dug it out of a box. I need to try and learn where all these bits go. Well, I know that this goes to, I think it goes to, hang on, it says Yamaha RS125, nothing else on there. Not massively sure on that one. Variety of colours. I'll have to look in the book for that one. Go along here. Right, this looks like it goes up inside the headlight bowl. There's some writings, clock lights, so that goes to, hang on, just follow that wire. Where is that going? It's going to a clock light, or a wire. I think that could be the pilot light. We have a broken wire, so no idea where that's got to go. We have, what's that? Left indicator, but that's got to be front, isn't it? Because that's inside the headlight. This has got to be inside the headlight bowl. This one I plugged in just now, that is more clock lights. I checked the connection in there and the wires match. The plastic inside here on this end was a bit broken. The connectors wouldn't go in, so I had to try and play with that by using a pick, and it kind of worked, so they're all connected. There are wires here. I have no idea where they go. There's a red, there's a very, very long extended yellow with no connector on the end. We do have, though, flasher unit, so that has its own home in the bike. I do remember seeing some wiring, and I'm sure I've got a plug that goes into there. That I'm not sure. That could either be an earth or it could be the negative terminal on the battery, which means I then need to find the positive terminal for the battery. So I don't know. Could it be something that connects to there? Maybe a fuse, which actually, let's have a look in here, shall we? Let's move that. No, that's a piece of wire for something else. No, there was something in here just now. It looked like a really knackered fuse. But maybe that could be that. So, yeah, I'm going to try and play with this and see what I can figure out. Wish me luck. Oh, yeah, and that is broken inside. The connector for the left-right indicator, the screw that goes into the body, right there, it doesn't screw into the body anymore. It just rattles around. So I need to get something with a thicker thread, try and get that going. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess, but I'll try and figure it out. I may have to put it on the bike temporarily and then try and solder bits as they're attached and try and figure it out that way. Thanks for watching.